There are other videos about cleaning the power head or changing the power head. On this video, I just wanted to show you where all the screws are. This is a Shark Deluxe lift away. It's the newer model. The first thing you want to do is to unhook the power head. The little connector's right there. So I've already taken my power head off. And I'm going to show you the screws and how you take it apart. Here's what you need to do it. A Phillips head screwdriver in case you want to take the wheel things off, but really you don't have to do that. A little straight head screwdriver so that you can pop the wheels off. Something to hold the special bits that you need. I bought this one. It's a 1/4 inch bit. Yeah, 1/4 inch screwdriver head. And then I bought these Tsutsiki security head screwdriver drill bit set. Got all that stuff off of Amazon. These are the ones for most of the screws. Use this kind of a head. Okay, so you have to use a little screwdriver to pop the wheels out. Just kind of stick it in there and you pry it out. And then when you do that, inside there, you're going to see there's a screw. So that's one of the security star screws. So you have to take that out. There's a security screw in here. Pop out the other wheel for one there. There's one that goes right here. There's one in there. There's one in there. There are 2 Phillips head screws right here. You don't actually have to take them out to get it off, but inside that little nook right down in there, you can see there's another one. So another security star screw. So you have to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 8 screws you have to take out. Once you have all the screws out, then it pretty much should come off. The top piece should come off. And there you go. So now you can clean in there. When you're putting it back together, make sure, because this just kind of lifts out, and if it twists out, twists on you or whatever, make sure you're putting it back in the right direction. So there's little nubs that have to go underneath that white piece. There you go.